Friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to create a simple calculator with UI in Python. So let's begin. So we'll first create we'll open our Visual Studio Code and we'll go and create a new file. And here we can select Python Python, and then let's save this file first. So over here, we can give this any name this file. So instead of untitled, I'll give it simple calculator.py. py is of course the extension of Python file. Yes, once we have it, now I'll start the coding. So let me pause and quickly first finish the code. So I'll just quickly load the code and I'll explain you what I'm doing here. So here I'm using the tkinter, and then for the UI purpose, of course, and then I'm setting the title and geometry and all. Control Z. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking a global expression which will hold the string, and equation is something which will finally evaluate the string and set it as a result. Okay, and here there are few methods. Say for example, equalpress, which is basically to evaluate the expression, and clear is to clear everything, and like anything which is printed on the calculator screen. And here we are defining the buttons, and then here we are creating the buttons one by one. So let me first run it quickly and show how it comes up. Perfect. So it comes up like this. So these are the buttons. So this line number 41 to 46 is responsible for creating these buttons, including these operators. And then here we are creating the buttons by adding the buttons to our tkinter, and then we are in the loop over here. Okay, if I go back here, so this is a whatever we type here, say for example 65 plus 12, so this will be held in expression. And if you press equalpress, which is basically the command which will get executed for the equal to operator, then this will evaluate and print it in the equation the total. Okay, however, if you press clear, which is the method for the button C, which is basically clear, it will clear this. So let me first do equal to. So this is 77, which is correct, and if I do C, it will just clear it and print something. So that's all I wanted to show you in this quick video, that how easy it is to create this your own calculator in Python with a UI using this tkinter library. So I'll put this code in my web page. Please refer to it. And I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.